you? Tyler, you're on the Pampers bag. Good afternoon and good night. And I have a screaming baby this morning. Ah!
Hey!
A screaming baby in the kitchen. Out of the kitchen, thank you.
John Doe.
Good boy. What did he say?
He's John Doe.
Who is John Doe?
John Doe from the jungle.
From the jungle?
Yeah. John Doe.
Oh, George of the jungle.
No, not George of the jungle. John Doe. Tarzan. You know Tarzan? That's Tarzan.
Guys, good morning from the Hubster and I in the kitchen this morning. We are making breakfast. We are making pancakes and baby's making the egg over there and he's about to make the tea behind me. Good morning, happy weekend, you guys. It's the final day of Boys and Girls Champs, you guys. And you hear my screaming baby in the background? He's full of energy. Ty, no. Come here, come and say good morning. Come here. Say hello. Say hello.
Hey, Tyler.
Say good morning. Say hi. Say hi. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Blow kisses. Kisses. No kisses? Alright, go. You guys, it's Saturday and it's the final day of Boys and Girls Champs and I'm full of energy. Babe asked me that he can't believe that I'm awake because I don't feel that tired today, surprisingly, but I guess that's a good thing. Or maybe later on in the day my body will feel the tiredness coming on. So we're here making breakfast. We have errands to run after breakfast, so we are gonna do some errands after breakfast. That way I can get back home in time for the shebang later, because today's the final day. Today it's gonna go down, and my school that I'm cheering for is in second place at the moment, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed and praying for the win. Calabar for the win. Which school you say, babe? Ah, he doesn't give a care for. So Calabar for the win. Hopefully we get a championship this year again. If we get a championship this year, it'll be 6 years in a row. Alright, so that's what's up right now. We're making breakfast, and you guys, I am super excited. You know why? I got a package in the mail. I got a package and I'm super excited about this package. First, let me tell you about this package, okay? But first, should I finish my breakfast before I tell you about this package? No, I don't think so, because I'm already vlogging, I'm already in the mood, so just let me tell you about it. So this package, let me hide my address. I got this package in the mail just now and I just pulled it, and I didn't finish pulling it fully because I wanted to show you guys. So let me tell you where this package is from real quick. Baby's looking outside. Let me tell you, this package is from All Things Fabulous for both men and women, and the website is www.thefabulousfabulous.com. theafrostylist.com. I'm gonna put her link down below in the description box. This is her card. Hopefully you guys can see that. So that's the card. For all the African sisters out there who want to go and support her, you guys can. And I'm gonna show you what I ordered from her, and I'm definitely gonna rock it today. Let me show you how cool this is. You guys, check this out. Can you guys see that? Focus. Okay, that's better. So I ordered this pendant from Afro Stylist. I found her on Amazon through another YouTuber, and when I saw this Jamaican pendant, I had to order it right away. I ordered it last week and it just came in the mail, and I'm super excited. It is so pretty and the quality is so amazing, and they have a bunch of different African pendants, or different country pendants, I must say. So this is my Jamaican one that I ordered from her. They're amazing. The price is good. You guys should go and check them out. And by the way, this is not an ad, but I love them, so I'm just going to put the link down in the description box so you guys can go and check them out. So this is what I'm excited about. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish making my family breakfast, and I'll catch you guys when we're on the road. This breakfast is ready and everybody's happy. We're about to go right now. Yum. Hey guys, so we are on our way to run some errands right now, and in true team spirit and true Jamaican style, I am in full green and black. Pow pow, full green and black, supporting my school in boys and girls champs. By the time you guys watching this, we would have known who win already, but don't worry, I'm sure my school will come through and green and black will take home the trophy this year. Okay you guys, this is the necklace that I was showing you guys this morning. It is super cute, super dope. I had to wear it today as I got it, and make sure you guys go and check them out. The link is down below in the description box. They do all different types. They do all different types of pendants for different countries, so make sure you guys go and check them out. And they also have an Instagram page. I'll link that down below in the description box. And like I said, this is not an ad. I just love them, and it's really good quality. I have no regret buying it. Value for my money. All right, we are on our way to the supermarket, and Boo Boo is sleeping because it's his nap time. So as I put him in the car, he fell asleep. Baby's driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today. So since I'm being super extra today with being all patriotic and being Jamaican, the Jamaican expression for today is gonna be yadi. You know who is a yadi? A yadi is a Jamaican who live overseas. That's what they call any Jamaican who live overseas, a yadi. Yes, so when we visit Jamaica, somebody's gonna say yadi debout, means we are visiting, we are at home. So the Jamaican expression for today is yadi. Yes honey, yes, so me a yadi. I am a yadi. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. And I'm gonna give you another expression for today. I'm gonna give you an excitement word. The Jamaican expression I'm also gonna give you today is box cover. Box cover is an exciting word, an exciting expression you use when you get excited. So for example, when my school that I'm supporting win the competition today, I'm gonna say box cover in excitement. Baby's laughing.
Yeah,
so
we start with Bacchus thing something. You say more backside and back.
Oh my god. Alright you guys, so there you have it. I give you 2 Jamaican expression for today. So make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys stay happy, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay pumped. Don't let anybody spoil your day. Don't matter what the circumstances. Get up, brush off, move on, be happy, keep a smile on your face, stay positive. We love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, we are in the land of wine land. See that? All you're seeing is wine around me. That's what France is known for. Wine, wine, and more wine. If you want to have a good wine, make sure you buy it coming from France, or come to France to have a good wine. France have very good wines. I wouldn't say I'm a wine person, but I love sweet wine. I hate red wine, but I like to have wine with babe. So we're searching for a good sweet wine right now to enjoy, and we're slowly going through the motions of getting all the things that I want today. I thought it wasn't much on my list, but actually it's a good amount of things. Most of the things are for Tyler, but it's a lot of things anyway. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. When you're in the supermarket shopping for 3 hours, you know that's some serious shopping. When you didn't come to buy so much things and then end up with all these things. Well, I don't think that's the case. It's just that I couldn't find what I want, so we just have to keep moving and moving and moving, and it's just so annoying sometimes because I don't like to shop like that. I like to just go get what I want and leave. And it is now raining again. The second weekend we're out and it's raining, but all our errands is finished and we're heading back home right now. But it's raining outside like crazy raining, and I am so hungry. It's way past my lunchtime, and whenever I'm hungry I am super miserable and grumpy, and I just take it out on everybody. So you don't want to cross my path right now. So baby's staying far from me because you know I'm about to just go at him like this. Is it just me, or everybody's like that when they're hungry? What you say?
Just
You guys comment down below and tell me if it's just me, or when you're hungry you just cross angry and miserable. You just want food already. When I'm hungry, Lord help whoever is around me. Trust me, just get me my food. It's hard to hold it together when I'm hungry, man. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly face? What are you doing? Why is the cupboard outside open?
ask Tyler.
No, 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 no. No, I won't let you do it. You will not stay there and blame Tyler wrongfully. I will not allow it. I will not. Tyler, Mama will stick up for you. Because Papa trying to bury you right now and you can't stick up for yourself. Tyler didn't do that. You did. No, 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 no. You did. You did. You did. Poor Tyler. Tyler, it's okay. Mama got your back, okay?
Tyler's not to blame.
Mama got your back, baby. Babe, the Jamaican expression for today. Say it.
Rastaman.
That's not funny. Say the Jamaican expression for today.
What is it?
Yardie.
Yardie.
And you know who's a yardie, right?
Yeah,
because you heard me explain.
Is someone who don't, or Jamaican who don't live in Jamaica.
Right. And the other one was an excitement word. It was box cover. Say it.
Box cover?
Right. You always hear me use that one, right?
Oh, when you're super excited.
That's it. It's an excitement expression.
I never hear you say that.
Really?
No.
Really?
You say backside.
Oh, I always say backside. Backside and box cover is the same. It's similar. It's similar.
Okay.
Alright, you guys. So there you have Babe Speed on the Jamaican expression, and he's yawning because he's not tired, more like hungry. And I'm going to jump in the kitchen now. Well, I just turned on the oven, so I'm waiting on it to preheat to make babe cake, and of course I'm going to have peas. You see, this is why it's hard to eat healthy when you're around temptation. You just can't resist the goodness of these food, man. It's so hard. That is why we don't buy these things, because when we buy it and it's in the house, you just want to eat it. Yes, baby.
Who want to buy a bag of potatoes?
We bought Tyler Pampers today, and Babe said to me that the little boy and the Pampers looks just like Tyler, and it's no joke. That's Tyler's twin. Come, let's put you beside it, Ty. Come. That's you. Tyler, you're on the Pampers bag. Look. That's you on the Pampers bag? That's you on the Pampers bag? That's you? That's your twin on the bag? Ty, Pampers need to give you a deal because your face is on the bag. Look. That's you. My baby is on the Pampers wrapper. You guys, don't you think that this look just like Tyler? This little baby look just like Ty. Smile just like you too. That's you, Ty. That's you, look, baby. 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 That's you. That's your look-alike. That's your twin. Baby. Baby. So this is what I'm actually going to bake for Babe right now. It's just going to take 10 minutes in the oven. I'm just gonna throw it in a pan, push it in the oven, and 10 minutes later I will be ready. Okay, you guys, 10 minutes later, and that's the outcome. This should be really yummy.
Hi guys, well, you didn't see me a lot today because most of the time was driving, and for all the drivers, don't look at the camera while driving and keep focused on the road. So I just do that. We're at home, just laying down in the bed, watching not TV but watching the computer because she's watching track championship. So we're watching it from the laptop. Everything okay. Tyler went to bed. He went to bed a little bit early because he was tired. I think he didn't, you know, in the week he used to take like more than an hour, 1 hour and a half nap. So when we're in the road, it just take maybe 30 minutes. So he got tired at the end of the day. So he's off to bed now. We're here watching this championship, and I think the night gonna be long. So we hope you enjoy watching this vlog.
You guys, I am so tired already, but it's going to be a long night.
You're gonna take coffee and coffee
and
coffee?
Yeah, coffee and coffee and coffee. Because I'm going to make a lot of noise cheering on my team tonight. And I'm already in my comfort spot. My laptop is just beside me. I'm ready. I'm so ready to bring home this trophy already. But don't worry, you guys. I haven't worked out. I haven't been on my A game with my eating because of this championship just take over my entire body and mind. I'm just so consumed into it. But don't worry, tomorrow I'll be back to the old me. This fat face will be gone by tomorrow. And then I'll be eating back properly. We're just going to call it a night because I'm about to just enjoy the rest of this championship. It's the last night, so it's about to be a good one. So yeah, hope it wasn't much today in the vlog because we didn't really do anything much, but of course we have to tag you guys along. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching us, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Join the family, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Cheers.
You guys, oh my god, you guys, look, I have to show you real fast. Look at that.
Having scored more than 300, that's like a magic number at Vice Champ. You get
Mama!
only once before Jillian has a school scored over 30 points.
Maya! 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 Jesus! You got me upset!
Two teams over 300 points and Calabar
Mother!
championships here.
Oh god!
Special.
Mother! Mother!
It's unbelievable.
Class act! Mother!
Heard the prediction.
Class act!
How big the point spread was going to be.
Class act, mother!
You're right.
Jesus, please!
Chip away and chip away. Actually,
Me a shit! I'm literally shaking!
supposed to get other people overperform and
Casey, wait! I would then go Uganda, Kenya, anywhere, bar life! Jesus, please! Later! Oh my god! You guys, my team won. It is finally over. 6 in a row. My team won. And I cannot contain myself. Excitement. Calabar is the 2017 track and field champions. Best ever in the entire world. And on that note, I say good night.